Thank you. It has been my honor chatting with all of you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's first, Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan. A story that brings together faith, community, and redemption with a uniquely Filipino lens. Also in the lineup, Gabi ng Lagim, a thrilling collection of stories inspired by Filipino folklore, bringing familiar fears to life on screen. And guess who we have with us today? Jessica Soho! May we also invite take those photos to help you spread the word about what an exciting lineup of shows, licensed titles coming to Prime Video. Hands on! Coming to Prime Video! Everybody smile for the cameras, please. I usually go make, so it's okay. Cameras out, videos out. Yeah. Another offering in the lineup. Bar Boys After School! A continuation of a story that resonated with many, exploring life ambition and the realities beyond the classroom. We got Benedict Ramos, Bryce Eusebio, Therese Malvar, Momo Nasino on stage. You guys have been busy. We got Team Bar Boys After School, front and center. The title offerings Open Ending, a story that explores modern relationships, identity, and connection through the lives of four friends navigating love and change. We got Leanne Mawanong, Clea Pineda, Jasmine Curtis, and Janelle Salvador. Everybody in the front, the sound of photo opportunities. Open endings. Make room in your devices for a group. Organize everybody on stage. We want to make sure the photo opportunities are perfect. Spread the word. The Philippine licensed titled shows going are coming out on Prime Video. We got the crowd cast right here on stage. Let's give them a round of applause. Round of applause. Not quite done yet. Not quite done. Leading back even bigger. Last one laughing Philippines season 2.
Pwede ba yan? Video mo na lang, matapawad.
Ready pa kayo sa babalang paandar? Sakay na sa pinakabagong bayad ng nagpapala. Dahil pagsigil yan, driver, sigurado. Sweet ang biyahe. Ganon. Tara na, aandar na. Pachupalag nyo. We are back. Another season with the same mission. Magpatawa na hindi natatawa. Nagbabalik ang last one laughing sa Prime Video. Tandaan, okay magpatawa, pero bawal ang tumawa. Hello, mga people! Wala man ito naman babae ko dyan, sigurado naman tutuwa po tayo sa katatawanan. Hindi po kayo palabasin ng pagkakataon na i-announce ang pagbabalik na LOL Last One Laughing Philippines for a new season sa Prime Video. Sigurado po ako na mag-i-enjoy kayo sa dami ng surprises, fun at katatawanan na makikita ninyo. O so ano pa? Load na!
We want to welcome back on round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Pinoys, and why are you so proud? I really see it. I see it in your smile.
Yes,
Congratulations.
first of all, I'd like to apologize, but I know contestants because it's confidential. We're gonna reveal them as soon as the show is on. But yeah, I think season 1 really, for me, was successful. And globally, not only here in the Philippines, because of two things. Yes. One, Filipinos in general, it's in our DNA that we really laugh a lot. You know, we're the happiest people in the world, and at the same time, we find happiness in tragedies and suffering.
We'll find the silver lining.
Yes, always. So I think that really resonated to the Filipinos. They can relate to it. And the second is really had good roster of contestants, spearheaded by Vice Ganda, who has a massive following, very witty, very good host. She really is the game master of Last One Laughing Philippines. And the rest of the contestants, they're very relatable. We grew up with these contestants, TV, online, we follow them. So it felt like you know them already. And then seeing them suffer, not being able to laugh from each other's laughter is really not content. That's why it became successful.
Well, congratulations to you, and we are looking forward to season 2. Give it up.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Randall. All right, next up with our originals on Prime is The Silent Noise. It's been streaming on Prime Video since March 20, a powerful and emotional story that explores truth, family, and the weight of silence. Please watch this.
May konting request lang si Mama. Habang nandito tayo, wala na munang cellphone. That's more time with each other.
Tama. Focus muna tayo sa pamilya.
Sa tinitira ko si Inay, nakikita ko na siyang nagbayad sa mga kasalanan ko. Di ba pinili ko pa rin ang maging asawa mo? Kahit na matagal na kitang hindi mahal. Ma, si Inay wala. Mapapatawad sa sarili ko pinangyari kay Inay.
Please welcome the cast from The Silent Noise, Mutya Orquia, Zaijan Hanilla, Katie Omalit, Sanjo Maruno, and Angelica Panganiba.
Oh my God. Nagkakot pa ha. May competitive ka.
May we invite the cast to step forward, closer to the cameras, please, and smile for some photo ops. Already since March 20, congratulations everybody. So without giving too much away, ano ang dapat nilang abangan? Without giving too much away, huwag naman spoiler.
Well, sa nakita nila, diba, pa-intense ng pa-intense, syempre yung mga mapapanood nila. Talagang yung mga kaganapan ay, kumbaga, kakabahan na rin kayo. Mararamdaman nyo kung ano yung nararamdaman namin lahat.
And what, yeah, Sandro.
Yes, yung transition ng mga characters, ito na, isa-isa nang lumalabas yung mga sikreto na hindi sinasabi ng bawat miyembro ng pamilya. Kaya, yun, kung alam niyo na yung mga kulay niya kung sino yung suspect, hindi pa po rin marami pa kayong makakawin.
Thank you very much. And let's hear from the kids. What are you excited about now that the show is streaming?
I'm excited because in this series, everyone will discover and see that this series is not just an ordinary series. This is a series about a love of a deaf kid, Eli, for his teacher, Teacher Sam.
Okay. And, yes.
Susunod na ako lang po yung sinabi ni Papa kanina ni Quincy. Yung pinakita ko kanina parang nasa episode 7 and 8 pa lang, parang mga ganun pa lang. So, marami pa kami yung offer dun sa last few episodes and yun po, kakabahan talaga kayo at para maramdaman mo na yung gulat at mapapatayo ka talaga kung saan ka nanonood.
And, yeah.
Yes po, talagang marami pong aabangan, lalo na yung mga unexpected moments, mga hindi mo hinihinalan. Yun pala yung nangyari talaga. So, yun, abangan po talaga.
Well, if you want to find out, you know where to watch it. Thank you so much again to the cast of The Silent Noise. Thank you guys. Congratulations. Up next, we have a third offering. Love is Never Gone. A story of love, distance, and second chances.
Ay! Ako na naman si Bak.
Sa umpisa lang sa magmahalan.
Hindi madali
Sa una lang pala ang saya.
itong mundo
Akala lang natin pag-ibig ang bubuo sa atin.
kung saan pinagtagpo ikaw at ako.
Pero sisilahin lang pala nito ang buhay natin. Nagtrabaho lang ako doon. Pagbalik ko maganda na yung buhay natin.
Tumakas na tayo kung hindi lang din tayo makakain sa mga para tayo mga tagal na tatapos na kayo pagkabot sa mga demonyo niyo.
Mukha ano ba yung nandun sa'yo? Hindi.
Excuse me,
Miss!
Sis, what the problem?
You stole my passport!
Jet pack mo kayo.
I will bring you to the police!
Kung saan may tita, doon ako.
Parehas lang natin kinakumita.
Oo, kasi mabait ka. Magkaiba tayo.
Cherche-moi le compte de docteur. Quel je vais maintenant. Illage ang tito niya. Dahil, di mo. Illage.
Pagkatapos sa mission na to, makakatakas na tayo. Kasi wala akong ano.
Wala talaga, ginagawa ko eh, ginagawa ko!
Let's welcome the cast of Love Is Never Gone. We got Joshua Garcia and Ivana Alawi with James Vick and Jane Oyeza, also starring Young Smith and J.M. Ibarra. Can we have you front and center on the stage for some photo ops, please? Never Gone, well, action-packed at mainit-init, o, diba? So, would you like to share how the experience was for you? Talaga nagkaganon na. Go ahead.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat. Ano ba ulit yung tanong? Sorry.
How was the experience for you?
Experience? Actually, sobrang excited kami na ipakita sa lahat ng Love Is Never Gone kasi ito yung first time na nag-shoot ng series sa Moroho. And gusto namin pa ipakita yung ganda ng Moroho and of course yung magandang story na ginawa ng aming mga writers. Yan.
Cheers. Thanks for that, Joshua. What about Ivana? How about for you? How was it?
As you can see, it's very hot.
Yeah.
Yes, and of course, it's full of action. It's full of love, and it's very different. So it's really a teleserie to watch out for.
Let's hear from the rest of the cast. In 1 to 2 words, what was your favorite part of the story? What did the story bring out from you? I'm gonna put you first. After hearing that, oh, okay. Action-packed. Action-packed.
Steamy scenes.
Steamy, ah. Hot nga hot. To the rest?
He is action and family.
And?
Siguro yung mga intense scene.
Intense. Ayan. So give it up again for Love Is Never Gone. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much for that. Congratulations. Next up, we got The Loyalty Game, a gripping psychological story where trust, relationships, and secrets collide. Here's The Loyalty Game.
Nagising ako kanina, wala ka.
I was here all the time, sleeping beside you. I love you, stranger.
Let's welcome to the stage once again, Jericho Rosales with opportunities after. Okay, picture na lang daw dito. Alright, Sophia first. What are you most excited about this project?
I'm super excited to work with Janine and Jarko, for sure. Yeah, first time to be working with them.
How was it?
I'm actually really nervous, but we just did taping in June, and they're very supportive of me and very happy.
Cheers! And how does it feel to be working with each other?
I'm very excited. Late on the stage, but really, very excited. Yeah, it's nice to be working again. We were so bitin kasi it's the first project namin together. And so now, we're working together full time. So it's great. It's, we know each other very well. And we know our what do you call that? You know, disiplina namin dalawa. But also with Sophia, I'm very excited. Because when I told her that sana someday we work together, she was this small. And so finally it happened. Yeah.
Cheers, Janine, please. We want to hear from you as well. What are you looking forward to with regards to this project?
Well, I'm super excited because it's the kind of project that I would also really watch and wait for on Prime. It's mysterious, it's for thrill seekers, it's for people who love plot twists, and the script is really exciting to the point that we also don't know what's going to happen. So I'm sure that that's how the viewers of Prime will feel, and I'm so excited to share.
And we're excited to watch it, definitely. So now may I ask you to please step forward for some photo opportunity. Loyalty Games. Smile for the cameras, please. That's Jennifer Rosales, Janine Gutierrez, and Sophia Andres. We're going to have a group photo later. But for now, allow me to announce another of the lineup. Ko-Pino. What does it stand for? Ko-Korean. Pinoy. Did you know that? Ko-Pino. It is a story that explores identity, family, and the realities that cross borders. Let's welcome the cast, Paolo Avelino and Kim Chu. Hi, Paolo. Hi, Kim. Let's have some photo opportunities first. So how does it feel to keep working with them, to be back with Prime Video? Paolo?
For me, I'm very grateful. It's going to be my third project with Prime once we launch Ko-Pino. It's my third project with Kim and Prime.
So 3 is your lucky number.
Hopefully 13.
Nice.
13.
You're not 33. Okay. Kim,
For me, working with Prime Video again, and this is my 4th project. So amazing! Thank you so much! Prime Video for me, working with them feels like home, but a home that keeps on evolving. Yeah, I'm very proud to always do projects with Prime Video.
but before I let you both go, because we heard the number of projects you've had with Prime Video, what makes this different?
This one, Ko-Pino, of course, yun nga nasabi natin, it's Korean and Filipino. So, syempre, may Korea magic. We will go to Korea to shoot some of the scenes with Korean actors. So, this is something very new and very exciting.
Sa akin naman, we always find stories to tell that's very Filipino. And one part about this is, as they've said, it's Ko-Pino. It's a story about Korean Filipinos who are looking for their identities. So it's something very exciting, it's something unique to us, and it's something local that we could be proud of, hopefully. So the international audience watches it.
Cheers! Congratulations to you both.
And yes, and also may I add, I'm very also proud to work with Prime dahil this is not only shown locally, this reaches to global audience din. Kaya nakaka-proud din that your work is being watched by other countries. Kaya thank you so much, Prime, for this big opportunity.
And to King Edward, I'm also proud to work with Prime and you again.
Wow! Super! Alright, let's go! Thank you so much, Prime, for the trust.
Nagpakilig pa talaga. Thank you. Cheers to you. Thank you so much. We'll see you back in the photo later. Give it up for Ko Estrada, Barbie Forteza, and Miss Sharon Cunha. Let's have some photo opportunities, shall we? Let's smile for some photo opportunities here. The cast of Honor. Okay, so it's Honor Thy Mother. Alright, anong pinaka-aabangan? What are you so excited about this particular project? Ladies last. It's always nice to ladies last. So kanil muna, sige game.
Oh, I'm very much excited. Personally, this is my second project with Prime. And yes, first of all, simula sa gitna. And they've always championed the Filipino stories. And I'm very much excited to be part of Honor Thy Mother. And also, it is a collaboration between three industry giants, Prime, ABS-CBN, and GMA.
Exactly.
Super excited.
That was brought up during the panel discussion. Thank you for bringing that up again. John!
Yeah, hi, good afternoon to everyone. I'm excited because Honor Thy Mother will revolve around mother-daughter relationship, family, and sacrifice, of course.
Thank you. And Barbie, Sharon. Wow, here we go. Are you excited to work with each other as well?
Yes! Actually, ang daming young artists ng GMA7. Ang lagi kong nakikita, for some reason sa social gathering, si Barbie. Tapos we would end up talking to each other. We really enjoyed each other's company every time. Kaya nung nalaman ko siya,
And this happened.
yes. And of course, it's my, do I go ahead and I continue? It's my second project with Prime. So I'm very happy. I was with Saving Grace, Dream State, and ABS-CBN Saving Grace. And now I'm very pleased because I think it's the first collaboration between our mother studios, ABS-CBN, and of course GMA7. So it's like two families coming together and brought under one roof by Prime. So we're very proud, very honored.
The first one an opportunity.
I'm very honored, and I'm honored that it's to honor thy mother. That's the title.
Kami honored na.
Na-connect ko ba na?
Honored na honored ko.
Ayan, ako po, what excites me about this is, grabe, big companies coming together for this massive, or some might call it mega project. Hindi ba? It's a mega family drama, and this is my first time working with Dreamscape. Oh my gosh.
You're the best.
Yeah, oh my gosh. An ABS-CBN TV production in collaboration with my home network, GMA, in partnership with Prime Video. So grabe, lalaking kumpanya nagsama-sama para sa proyektong ito to give you this very great project. And gusto ko rin po magpasalamat dahil my film P77 was able to reach a much wider audience. Yes, Miss Nessa! Jeremy Pictures! Thank you po. I was able to reach a wider reach of audience dahil sa Prime Video. So maraming salamat po. I'm really excited.
And we can see the excitement radiating off all of you. So we wish you the best. We look forward to what is to come. What collaboration, of course, the magic of collaboration can bring. Cheers to Team Honor Thy Mother. Thank you so much. Thank you. And finally, in the originals lineup, we have Behind Closed Doors, a high-stakes story of power, secrets, and truths that refuse to stay hidden. We got Marian Rivera and director Dominic Zapata. This is what was mentioned during the panel. The biggest stars are coming out to play. Then we have Marian and Director front and center for some photo opportunities first. Smile for the cameras, please. for this project kasi parang napaka-offbeat niya para sa akin. Yes. What do you mean by offbeat? Well, ang character ko dito ay mistress. So, first time ko gagawin ito, and of course, journalist ako dito. So, first time ko din gagawin. Kaya sabi ko, why not trying something new for me? And I think this is a good project for me.
I love it. And Direk Dong, of course, naka-omo ka rin dito. What are you excited to bring out of your actors? And what a lineup of actors, ha?
Yeah, pero kasi si Marian, tagal ko na hindi nakakatrabaho. So, sobra akong gusto ko nang makatrabaho ulit si Marian kasi puro dingdong-dingdong yun. So, si Marian naman, at saka to add pala to what Marian said, ang role na dito, she's the mistress of the President of the Philippines. So,
Yung premise. Tsaka very intriguing. Nagtawa na natin yung premise.
Ito yata dapat sila.
But it's okay. At least, very intriguing siya kasi di ba, ano bang nangyayari behind closed doors?
Exactly.
So yun ang dapat pinapapanood.
Open to interpretation, but we're gonna leave it there because we wanna make sure we watch and we catch all the drama and the mga pasabog nitong bagong offering ninyo. So we wish you all the congratulations and last quick message for us.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you sa Prime Video. Thank you for sa GMA for joining forces with Prime Video for the very first time, I believe, for GMA Network. Thank you very much, Marian. Na umuho ka, alam ko mapili ka sa mga proyekto mo. I think you chose the perfect project for this year, for the next probably couple of years ulit bago ka namin hindi makita. And I hope you guys will enjoy it when it finally comes out.
Well, definitely, thank you, Direk. Actually, short kwento lang. Si Direk kasi siya yung mga ginampalang mga iconic roles ko. Siya talaga yung nag-direct sa akin. So finally, reunited kami dalawa dito. At masarap siguro na nag-direct sa'yo yung kilalang-kilala ka dahil ninong siya ng anak ko. So, sobrang excited ako to work with Direk Dong again. And salamat and sobrang excited ako. Finally, after 2 years, guys, I'm back.
That's a great way to start this off. So with that, give it up for our behind closed doors cast and director, leading lady director. Please stay as I now call back all the talents of the originals Filipino offerings lineup for Prime Video. May we invite them all back on stage for a group photo. The cast of Behind Closed Doors. Honor Thy Mother. Filipino, The Loyalty Game. Love is Never Gone, The Silent Voice, and Last One Laughing Philippines Season 2. We ask for your patience as we gather everybody on stage first so that we have a wonderful group photo. We will be giving everyone their time. I think the best
Season 2, The Silent Noise, Love is Never Gone, The Loyalty Game, Compino, Honor Thy Mother. Okay, we'll have another photo. This time, truly there is a lot. Truly there is a lot to look forward to, and you can only catch it on Prime Video. Everyone, you may exit to your left. Thank you to our wonderful actors and actresses. We look forward to your different show. We cannot wait to see your stories online. On behalf of Prime Video, we wish you good afternoon and enjoy the rest of your day. Mabuhay ang